In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon Pay gift card. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the results, click on it to go to the homepage. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, especially when you'll be accessing your account and payment details. If Amazon asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Enter your account details as needed and continue until you're fully signed in. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. Being signed in is important because your gift card balance and Amazon Pay settings are tied directly to your account. Now, look to the top right corner of the page and hover over Account and Lists. A menu should appear. From there, click on Account to open your account dashboard. This area gives you access to payment tools, gift card settings, and balance management options. Once you're in your account, find the section labeled Amazon Pay or Manage Gift Card Balance or Reload Your Balance. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your region or account layout, but you're looking for the section where Amazon lets you manage funds connected to your account. Click into that section to continue. Next, click Add Money to Amazon Pay Balance. This is where Amazon allows you to move available funds or apply balance-related options to your account. After that, click Add Gift Card. This option is used to redeem a gift card code and apply it to your Amazon balance. Now, carefully enter the gift card code in the field provided. Take your time here because even one incorrect character can prevent the code from working. Once the code is entered correctly, click Add Gift Card to Balance. After this step, the amount should be added to your Amazon balance if the card is valid. When your balance has been added, go to your cart and review the items you want to purchase. Make sure everything looks correct, including product quantity, color, size, or any other options that matter for your order. Then click Proceed to Buy. On the checkout page, check your delivery address and confirm that it's correct. This helps avoid delays or shipping issues. Finally, make sure you select Amazon Pay as your payment method so the balance you just added is used for the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully added your gift card and used your Amazon Pay balance during checkout.